G'day DIYs, it's Chriso. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Now what I'm doing is I need to take out my strip drain, but I also need to give it a little bit of room because there's no way I'll be able to fit that back in. Where's the tile? There's no way I'll be able to fit that in when I've waterproofed it. I've got everything at the bang on height. There, like that. I know it's going to come up a little bit when I have glue on my tiles and waterproof, which is good. Seam slope there. That's a nice slope without being over the top in a short distance. I'm very happy with that. So what we need to do is give myself a little bit of room. Now that I've got everything correctly done, I'm home and hose. Clear it away. Because when it's dry, when this mud dries, you got one hell of a job trying to scrape it then, because it's full on strong. Right, I'll be giving that a wipe down. I want to give it a little bit of fall, so when the water runs into there, it's running down that strip drain. What I want to do is I need to put on a little bit of slurry glue, stick mud Where's my other level? That'll be the go, because I want to be just slightly, that's dead level now. I want to just give it a little bit of fall. Where's my other, oh there, cool. Just a little, because I don't want to raise my strip drain up too high. but I don't want my waterproof to be below that puddle flange. Right, I'm happy with that side. I'll check it. I'll just check it in a minute to make sure I've taken out enough. I'll be covering all this in bandage because it's a wooden floor. There's always movement in a wooden floor, more so than concrete. Little bit of mucking around, but I tell you, it is worth it. And you're always out to, well, you know, I'm always out for presentation, give people a beautiful job. I can leave that out. Pop this in. There's my other wooden float. I don't know why everyone calls it a wooden float, because it's not actually wood. But you do